Now this command is given in the glorious Quran in Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, ayat number 183, where Allah said, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, O you who believe, kutiba alaykumus siyam. Siyam is the plural for Sawm. Sawm is singular and Siyam is plural. Siyam means fastings or days of fasting, and Sawm means one day of fast. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, O you who believe, O you Muslims, kutiba alaykumus siyam, command of fasting has been given to you. Kama, like, kutiba, it was given, it was dictated, it was commanded. Kutiba alal lazina min qablikum, to the people before you. And now when you read the scriptures of different religions, you will find that in the Bible, in the Old Testament, in the book of Deuteronomy, as well as in the book of Leviticus, in the New Testament, in the book of Matthew, chapter number 17, verse number 21, and in the book of Mark, chapter number 9, verse number 29, in all these places, the Jews and the Christians have been commanded to fast from morning to evening. Similarly, when you read Mahabharat, Anushasan Parv, chapter number 13 or book number 13, even there you find the command of fasting. And fasting in most of the religions is considered to be a sacred act of worship in order to learn, in order to practice how not to commit evils in the life. Allah Rabbul Alameen too pointed out the reason of fasting in the same ayat in Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, ayat number 183, where he said, لَأَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, so that you acquire taqwa.